Recently, it was decided that in 2020, we no longer have the right to bury our organic matter. We want to ban landfilling as much as possible. So then, we must find new ways. Composting on site is relatively recent. We're used to industrial composting where the professionals manage things. Now we want it to be companies. People from the fruits and vegetables department, maintenance services and institutions, and we need to help them.
I wanted to give new value to my trash and at the same time find a way to save money. Some people grabbed my interest and proposed a new way of doing things where we could add value to all the biodegradable matter that we have inside the store.
As a cultural thing, he wants to reduce his environmental impact as much as possible. Therefore, by composting, he's changing a lot of behaviors. He's going to try to reduce at the source.
In the beginning, it required certain adjustments from my employees, but everyone got on board. And honestly, I was really surprised with the results. With the catering, we changed a number of things. We added recycling bins, and we put in recyclable dishes and utensils to avoid a lot of handling. Here, we're in the readying area for fruits and vegetables. So what we're doing is that we're cutting the excess leaves, and then we put the stuff in the box that will then go in the composter. So we're at the step before going into the composter. Now all the departments come and bring their things here. I have a person in charge that takes care of weighing them, makes up the recipe, and then puts the stuff inside. This is the compost mixed with some wood shavings which hasn't finished decomposing yet, but which yields mature compost. The compost is used to revitalize Lake Waterloo's banks and for the city's trees and plants. I supply it to them for free. The more we settle that problem with the other machine, the better off we are. We get two birds with one stone. We find use for our trash, and we help our citizens' environment.
If, from source, there's no trash coming out of this store, we'll not have to collectively invest in a larger processing center. I think that economically, we'll be further ahead. Environmentally speaking, there are major benefits.
It's up to each of us to decide to do something, and when it's all done, some people will be surprised to find out that it's economically viable.